So first I just take a pen and mark these lines, these little dots. I don't know if you have to do this, but I do it just because. Okay, and then I get a highlighter, and then I just go around the black. I think it's having a hard time reading the black on the shiny paper. So I highlight the whole thing. And I've only used this blue one. You probably can use other colors, but this is the only color I've used. I haven't tried any other colors. So, okay, so now I've loaded in. I'm going to click the C. Okay, so what I've noticed, because now I'm doing it with a yellow, just a regular marker, is you want to make sure that your color is on both sides of the line, but not too much. Because it's picking up that color. It's going back and forth trying to find that line. So I make sure because the first time I just did it on one side and it had a hard time reading it. So then I did it on both sides like now, and it's cutting. It was easy. It found it perfectly with no hesitation. So you want to make sure that your color, is on both sides of the line, but not too much. That's what I figured out.